OnePlus is currently busy working on a smaller device, the OnePlus 13T. This will feature a 6.3-inch screen, just like sister company Oppo's Find X8s. The OnePlus 13T is in the rumor mill again thanks to its incredible battery capacity, especially for its size. According to a new rumor from China, the 13T will manage to pack a whopping 6,200 mAh battery, with 80W wired charging support. For reference, note that the much larger OnePlus 13 only has a 6,000 mAh battery, so this is quite the feat of engineering. That aside, past rumors haven't been in much agreement about the number of cameras this phone will have. It's either 2 or 3. Either a 50MP main and a 50MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom, or those 2 plus and 8MP ultra-wide. The OnePlus 13T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, allegedly, and its screen comes with 1.5K resolution and an embedded optical fingerprint sensor. The phone is expected to have a metal frame and a glass back. The OnePlus 13T is scheduled to become official in April, and it's unfortunately still unclear if it will get a global launch.